between 200 Hazel Street, Sumter, Galileo Park, Security Central. We also receive a regular alarm as well. General cat law enforcement route.
212 in service.
10-2. Flag right here.
209 is responding.
209.
There's ladder 213 responding.
213. Units of fire hydrant right short near the location of Wood Avenue and Purdy Street crossing. Units, they call back to something back of the park lot. There's a strange smell back there.
But you said they have a strange smell?
I'm confirming a strange smell in the back.
Good copy. Base 209 is on scene. Got a commercial style building. 2-story. Captain, go ahead and take command. We'll be investigating.
Yeah, like I said, I was on my front porch and I heard them respond, and I'm like, just pull out my radio, and sure enough, they said they're on Hazel Street. So
Hazel Street, command. Go ahead. You'll start this way. 10-4.
Yeah, if you need rescue
not
one
too
off.
often you get a lot of action around
They're
here.
probably gonna.
Hazel Street, command.
It was weird. They said something about a smell.
They should
a
check the
strange
area
smell.
of activation. We don't see any smoke.
So I don't know if it's like a gas leak or something.
Smell of smoke in and around the building. We're trying to determine now whether it's coming from the interior or actually from the exterior source in the neighborhood. So we'll be here for a little while just checking things out.
Careful.
Yeah, so anybody check where they make that clay in that room? There's 2 cars pulling on the street at the time.
Careful.
10-4, we check the back side. It's clear. I'm going towards the front now. Good guy. Hottest thing I'm seeing up under here is about 71 degrees.